Hello, everyone. My name is Noah Larson, and today I wanted to take you on a quick tour of how web apps talk to servers. You've probably used an API today without even knowing it, maybe when checking the weather or logging into an app. Today, we'll be looking at how Express.js, a lightweight Node.js framework, helps us build those APIs easily and efficiently. So what is Express.js? Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that gives you a robust set of features to build web and mobile applications. It helps us handle routes, manage middleware, and interact with databases, all in a clean and readable way. So here is a simple example of how to create an Express app. Within just a few lines of code, we've created a server that responds to requests on the home route. This is what is called a get route. You can also use posts, put, and delete to build a full RESTful API. So in this example, like I said, it gets a request on the home route, and its response is sent back with hello world. So here is an example from my own project that I have been working on. Um, so we are using the get function here as well to filter products with a tag. And we're using the route of backslash products backslash filter. So we are sending a request through this route, uh, and our response will be back a list of products in JSON uh, with the tag from the database. We are using a Firebase Cloud database to store data in our project, and this function allows us to specifically get all the products with a certain tag in the database uh, once a user is filtering the products to find what they're looking for. Um, So, like I said before, Express makes it easy to define endpoints for different types of requests. And this is what we call RESTful routing. Um, so there's four different methods in RESTful routing, and that's the get, which you can use to fetch user data, post to add new users, put to update those users, and delete to remove the users from the database. Um, So Express also integrates easily with databases. In my own project, I've been using it with Firebase and the Firestore database, but you can also connect to Mongo database, Postgre, SQL, or any other database that you might be using just as easily. In this picture example, this is sort of what we took from since we are using React in our project and we're pushing images and text data to our Firestore database and storage. So we've been using the Node server or the Express server to contact with Firebase by pushing the data from the React client to the server and to the database to storing our images and product information and all the data that we could be using. So why use Express? It's simple, scalable, and powerful. It's great for beginners and also used by bigger companies in production systems. If you ever plan to build a website, app, or even an API for a mobile game, Express is a tool worth knowing. In conclusion, I will say Express has been very simple for me to use, and I know that Uh, developing an API seemed a bit stressful at first for me, but as I've gotten to know Express, it's become a lot more simple. And I know that if you guys choose to use Express, that you will have the same experience as I did. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.